Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Teleform submission. So as a marketing manager of my organization, I am using Teleforms to capture the leads from my website. And I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead for my organization through Teleforms, automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my email marketing application, that is Zoho campaigns. Now to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between Tally and Zoho campaigns, and that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically create subscribers in Zoho campaigns for Teleform submission. So as a marketing manager of a digital marketing agency, I am using Tally on my website to capture the leads and the inquiries of the leads. I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, in order to enhance my email marketing, as I'm using Zoho campaigns as my email marketing application, directly the lead should be added over here as a subscriber. So now to automate the entire process of adding subscribers in Zoho campaigns for every Teleform submission, what we have to do, we have to basically set up the connection between Tally and Zoho campaigns. To build this connection, because they are not directly connected with each other, we have to use another application. So here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and will help me to automate the entire task. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software that helps us to build the connections between our work applications without coding or programming knowledge to automate all our repetitive tasks. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be building the connection between Teleform and our Zoho campaigns account to automate adding subscribers in email marketing application for form submissions through website. Alright, so let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now you can see it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows on the same dashboard, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Teleform submission. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to set up is related to email marketing, and therefore I have to select the folder that is automations for email marketing, and that is the folder which I have created specially for all the automations that are related to enhancing my email marketing. Okay, so as I have selected this folder, my workflow will get saved automatically in this designated folder only. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here, the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission in Tally, the person who has submitted the form should be added as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns. For that, I want to set up the connection between Tally and Zoho campaigns. So here I'm going to take Tally in trigger and Zoho campaigns in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means as we are taking Tally as our trigger, so when the form will be submitted in Tally, then only the subscriber will be added to Zoho campaigns, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger, trigger and action. Let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us first of all select the trigger application as Tally. So by using which application you want to start your workflow? Tally will be the application by using which I want to start my workflow. So I've selected that. Then we have to select the trigger event. On the happening of which event in Tally you want to capture the response and start your workflow every time. So when a new response will be captured through Tally, that means when a form will be submitted in Tally and the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, then my workflow should start. So now we have to build the connection between Tally and Pabbly Connect. To build this connection, you can see I am already logged into my Tally account and here we have received a webhook URL. So by following the given instructions step by step carefully, when we will insert this webhook URL inside Tally account, then every time a new form will be submitted in Tally, the response is going to be captured automatically in Pabbly Connect because the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge over there. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I am going to take you towards my Tally account. After coming over here, you can see that on home page, I have multiple forms. So you can also have multiple forms which you have created for different kind of reasons, different requirements. But here you have to pick a specific form which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So among these forms, this is the form client inquiry form which I want to currently connect with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select it. So we have to open the form. And over here we have multiple options on the form. So I'm going to go towards integrations and we have to select webhook option. So here first of all I'm going to delete the existing webhook URL because I already have an existing one so that we can start with fresh. And as we have deleted the webhooks, so when you will come towards this integration section, you will find multiple options over here. So you have to find webhooks among these given options. You will click on connect on webhook and now in the endpoint URL, you just have to paste the webhook URL which you have copied from Pabbly Connect. After doing this, you have to click on connect. And as we have done that now, the form, my client inquiry form of Tally is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now whenever that client inquiry form is going to be submitted by any of the client or lead, automatically I'm going to receive the response. Now, first of all, let's turn this simple response button on as we want to capture the response in simple terms. And now here we are waiting for the response as you can see. So now we have to do a test submission as it is saying in the instructions that do a test submission to capture the response. And how we are going to do that test submission? By simply submitting the form which we have recently connected. So once again, I will take you towards my client inquiry form which we have already connected with Pabbly Connect. And after connecting it, we'll go towards share option. So here we have the shareable link of the form. Let's copy it. We'll open it in a new tab. And as we have done that, you can see that the client inquiry form is open in front of us. So now quickly I'm going to submit this form with some dummy details. Let's start with a name. Let's say the name of the person who is submitting this form is new. And let's say the last name is client. Let's say the email is new5911@pabblycutes.com and let's say the phone number is this. You can also select the country over here. I've already selected it as India. Now we can add the company name as well and the service inquiry. So as a digital marketing company, we are providing these services: search engine optimization, social media marketing and web development. So let's say I want social media marketing. So these are some dummy details which I'm going to use as a dummy lead and I'm going to submit the form. As soon as we have submitted the form as a lead, now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect. And here for a few seconds, let's wait. And you can see that the response is immediately captured, that too automatically with all the details. So let's start reading these details one by one. First of all, we have received the first name of the client, the last name, their email address, their phone number, their company name, service for which they have opted and other details. And when you will look closely, you will see that all these details are exactly the same which we have entered while submitting our form. This means our connection between Tally and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time the form is going to be submitted by a client or lead through website on Tally, automatically the response of that form is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. Once we have set up this connection, now our objective is to add subscriber in Zoho campaigns for the person who has submitted the form. So for that, now we'll go back towards our action step. We will select Zoho campaign as our action application. So here let's select Zoho campaigns and then you have to select the action event as well. What you want? I want to create the subscriber, but I want that if the person who has submitted the form is already an existing subscriber of my Zoho campaign, so it should be directly updated as well. So I want both the features, to add a new subscriber for the form submission or also to update. So I'm going to select add or update subscriber over here as my action event. Then let's click on connect. For building the connection, you can see that I am already logged into my Zoho campaigns account. So you also have to keep in mind that you must already be logged into the application before building the connection with Pabbly Connect, as it is going to make the process of your connection easier and simple. Now here we have two options, as you can see, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection with Zoho campaigns, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you to build a new connection. For that, I've already selected add new connection and we'll click on connect with Zoho campaigns. As we have done that, now it is asking us for the domain name. We have multiple domains, but to find out what domain we have actually, we have to go towards our Zoho campaigns account and we have to look towards the URL. Over here in the URL, we have zoho.in as our domain. So let's copy it. We'll move back and we'll paste it over here. Done. So this is our domain. In the similar manner, you also have to find out the domain you have. Then let's click on save. And as we have done that Pabbly Connect has detected my account because I was already logged in, and now I'm going to click on accept because my data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, as it is asking us for the permission to access our information. So here I have provided the access by clicking on accept, and here you can see that our authorization has become successful. And the connection between Zoho campaigns and Pabbly Connect is also built. So now we just have to move forward towards entering the details in these fields to create a subscriber. But first of all, you have to select a specific list in which you want to add your leads. So this is my list with the name as new leads, in which I want to add all my leads which I'm receiving through Tally. I'm going to take you towards Zoho campaigns. We'll go towards the contact section and we'll go towards manage list option. And here you can see that these are all the lists I have. Among these lists, I'm going to select this new leads. In this list, I want to add all my leads which I'm receiving through Tally form submission. So I've selected that, and now we have to enter the email, first name, last name and other details of the lead. So let's start with the email address. As you know, we have received all the details of this lead already in our earlier response. So instead of entering the data manually, we are simply going to map the data because we also want to automate the process, and we are not going to change these details one by one every time when we are going to receive a new response through Tally. Therefore, we have to make the data dynamic so that it should get replaced automatically with every new response. In that case, you can see we have multiple options over here, and I'm going to simply map the email address like this. As we have mapped this email, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So now let's map the other details as well in the similar manner. We'll map the first name of the lead. We'll map the last name of the lead as well. Then we have the job title. If you want, you can map this. I have received the company name as well, so I'm going to map the company name. I have received the phone number. If you have received any secondary email or mobile number, you can map them as well. I'm going to ignore this field. I have received, I think, city. No, I have not received it, so I'm going to ignore this field as well. And directly, I'm going to click on save and send test request button. You can see that as a response is received, it is saying in the message that a confirmation email is being sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. So we have added the user in Zoho campaigns, but a mail is going to be sent to them on their email address, which we have mapped over here for the confirmation. When they are going to confirm, then only they will be added successfully as subscribers in Zoho campaign. So quickly, I'm going to open this email account which I have mapped over here. And over here, we have received the confirmation email. So I'm going to open this mail and I'm going to click on confirm subscription. So you can see we have received the mail to the new. That means the first name of the lead. So it is saying you are all set now. So now I'm going to take you back towards Zoho campaigns quickly. We'll go towards the list in which we have added the subscriber. And here you can see we'll go towards contacts. And yes, we have the new subscriber added over here with the same details. The name is new, the last name is this. We have the phone number, the company name and the email. This means our connection between Tally and Zoho campaign is absolutely successful. And now every time the form will be submitted, automatically the person who has submitted the form will be added as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns automatically after they will confirm. So once again, let's check whether the connection is successful or not. For that, I'm going to copy the Tally form once again. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And over here, I'm going to quickly submit the form once again with some new details. Let's say this time the first name of the lead or client is latest lead. Okay, let's say the email is latest666@pabblitudes.com. Let's say the phone number over here is company and the service is, let's say, social media marketing. I'm going to quickly submit the form. As soon as the form is submitted, now I'm going to open the email address which I've entered over here. And we can say once again the confirmation email is received. And this is for latest. So I'm going to confirm the subscription quickly. And it is saying you are all set. So now I'm going to quickly take you towards Zoho campaigns. Once again, we will refresh the list in which we have added the subscriber. And yes, here we can see that a new subscriber is added instantly with the same details. We have the same email, we have the same name, latest lead, same company name, and the same phone number. This means our connection is successfully created and also our workflow is running fine. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing automation to enhance your email marketing. And not only through Tally forms, you can connect your Zoho campaigns, that means your email marketing application, with any other form builder application which you are using like this. Then when the form will be submitted by your leads or clients, you're going to receive those leads as subscribers in your email marketing. I hope the automation is clear to you and it is helpful for your business as well. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.